Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Key again. Today I just want to go through a quick little video on how to use all of your warming options in our 2021 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in Gravity Gray. Let's do this. All of the EX and higher trim levels are equipped with a factory remote start. The button for the remote start is located right on the side of your fob. So we're going to lock the vehicle, press the button a couple times, and then hold down on the remote start button for a few seconds, and it's going to start right up. The lights are going to be flashing just to indicate that the vehicle's been started and it is running. Now let's head inside. Now when we've used the remote start option, when you go to enter the vehicle, you can either use the fob to unlock the door, or because this has the smart key, we can use the button on the outside to get in. Once we get in the vehicle, they made it very easy. All you need to do is put your foot on the brake, and all of the rest of the electronics then turn on as soon as you get in the vehicle, which is perfect. So right now, we happen to have the auto climate control is right now on the highest setting for auto. So what it's going to do is I've set the temperature to 25 degrees. Right now it's having it sent down to the floor area, and it's set to the highest auto setting. So even though it's set on the highest, right now it's not showing that the fan is on the highest speed, because the vehicle is not able to put out the air at this temperature that I've asked it to do yet. So it's not doing that fully until it gets up to that temperature. And you have the option of changing from high, medium, and low, just depending on what intensity you want the fan to be for your climate control. You also have your 3-stage heated front seats for the 2 front seats. If you go one more level up to an EX Premium, then you have the option of the heated outer rear seats. And go ahead and turn that on. You have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel as well. So the majority of the leather portion will heat up and get nice and toasty for you. And also, I try to tell my customers not to forget, when you hit your rear defroster, that includes your side mirrors. So you have heated side mirrors, it's just linked to the rear defroster. So that should become a regular thing that you do when you get in the vehicle, especially in the winter time when everything's kind of covered. Hopefully you've already cleared off your vehicle, and in doing so, the vehicle will help you with that, because this vehicle is also equipped with heated washer nozzles. And a lot of people forget that as well. So when the vehicle is turned on and the outside temperature is 5 degrees Celsius or lower, then it will automatically start to heat your washer fluid as the vehicle warms up. So it's just an added way that the Seltos is helping you keep warm in the winter time. Again, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. Please hit the like button. We really appreciate it. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the videos we're going to be bringing out. Thanks, guys.